Guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today is going to be a quick video. It's going to be a 30-minute meal. You guys know I like to do those. It is going to be a taco crunch wrap. I know they have these at Taco Bell. I actually never even had them at Taco Bell, but I seen a picture of them and they looked pretty good. So I figured I would try to remix it. What you'll be needing, I already cook me some ground beef. So go ahead and cook it. Actually, this is ground round. You can be able to use whatever meat you like. You can use chicken, but the main one is with ground beef, and I like ground round. You get you some taco sauce. I actually forgot to get some lettuce, but you do need to get some lettuce. Get whatever salsa that you like. You're going to be eating that on the side. Get you some taco sauce. I like mild. Some diced tomatoes, some cheddar cheese. You can get nacho cheese. They didn't have nacho cheese that was not mild, so that's why I got that. I think it's the same, to be honest with you. Get you some refried beans, and the traditional Taco Bell one do not have the beans. You know I always remix mine. So go ahead and cook your meat, and once you get your meat done, put your taco seasoning in there, and once we do that, I'll come right back. Okay, here is the ground round done. Make sure you lay it on a paper towel so all the grease can absorb, because you never want to just eat grease. So I'm so used to using the chicken and it does not have grease, but make sure that you use, again, this so it can absorb the grease and you won't be eating the grease, okay? And I also forgot to tell you to get some shredded cheese too, some Mexican, okay? Okay, go ahead and open up your refried beans. Open up your diced tomatoes. And I'm sorry, you also blooper. You also want to have some Pam, so go ahead and put it on your skillet. Okay. Turn your eye on, like kind of medium. And what I did was I drained my tomatoes, and here is my refried beans. Make sure you drain your tomatoes because you don't want it to make a mess. Here is my ground beef also, and my sour cream. And again, like I said, if you got some lettuce, most definitely use that lettuce, but I totally forgot to get lettuce. And I'm really not a lettuce person, especially when the lettuce is hot. I know it's crazy. I don't like my lettuce to be warm, so. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. Open your nacho cheese and put it in a bowl. That will work. And put it in the microwave for maybe about maybe about 2 minutes. 2 minutes will work. Or until it get hot. And just a FYI, like I told you guys, I didn't know the difference between the nacho and the cheddar cheese. Totally different. But it's gonna be good, but I do most definitely like nacho cheese better. It is a taste difference. And guys, make sure you are cleaning up as you are going, okay? So we'll put the flour tortilla right there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is put your ground beef, and I got spoons for everything. If you're the type of person that don't want to touch things, you can just use you a spoon. Hold on, let me put this down so you can see what is going on. Hold on, guys. Okay, so put your ground beef, ground round. I keep saying ground beef. Put your ground round. Then once you put your ground round, go ahead and add your nacho cheese. Shame on me, y'all. I totally forgot to microwave the cheese. So that's what we're doing right now. Not let it get super duper hot because it's going to be getting hot once I warm it up and stuff. So turn this down because I don't want that to keep on cooking. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of tomatoes. And we don't want to add all the toppings. So let's go ahead and add the toast salad real quick. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put my beans on a toaster first. And if you want, y'all, you can warm this up. I didn't warm it up. I probably should have, but it still tastes good. It's okay sometimes if you don't do what it's called for. Just as long as you make sure you use the ingredients. Because sometimes things, just because it don't look good, it can be totally, totally good. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and put the tomatoes on. And that's why I dried the tomatoes so it wouldn't be super wet. So And you can get all this ingredients, you guys, from your local grocery store. And I'm gonna pour a little bit of this on because you know sometimes like when you make things like this, it be dry. And again, you guys, this is mild taco sauce. I don't use hot sauce. It's taco sauce. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I am going to put some sour cream on top. Oh, that looks so good. I love sour cream, you guys. Do you love sour cream? I've seen a girl also put avocado on there. So if you like avocado, put you a little bit of avocado on there. Okay, guys, there is the cheese. Okay, and already have your skillet going. Have it on high. So once you get done, you can just put it directly in there. Now just take it and just fold it. This is gonna be my first time folding, so let's see you guys how it goes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since it don't all the way close, I am going, it's not that big, I'm going to take another burrito and I'm gonna put it inside. Just tear that little piece and now fold it. And be gentle since you've done that because it's kind of fragile. And just give it a good fold. Just hold it and fold it. And take your time, y'all. And the good thing about it, with it being wet, is making the tacos, the flour tortilla, easier to hold. Okay, guys, and what you're supposed to do is lay it in the skillet face down like that. Okay, I can't wait to see what this could taste like, guys. Okay, guys, let's lay it in there and spray it one more good time just to make sure everything's sprayed. And make sure you put everything down and face down. What you're gonna do is let that just simmer for about a good 4 to 5 minutes until it is completely brown. Okay? And don't touch it at all. Okay? I'm gonna put my timer on for 5 minutes to make sure I do not touch it. Okay, so what you want to do is check it. Just lift it up a little bit and it looks brown, and be very gentle and turn it over. And make sure your pan is nice and greased, okay? So we go leave this on for 5 more minutes. But again, make sure your pan is greased because you do not want to have a dry pan. So use that pan, okay? Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get it out. And what I would do is let the pan cool for a little bit before you make another one because you do not want to burn your pan. And then again, put your pan on. Make sure you got enough pan and just cook them that way, okay? So let me just show you guys the end results. They look really, really good. I'm gonna actually try it real quick and let you guys see what it tastes like. It looks good. Let's go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. Okay, let's give her a taster, y'all. I probably can like lift it up. Ooh, that look good. Look at all that cheese and ground round. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. I know this could be good. Let's try. This is really good. Like I said, you guys, I never had the actual thing, this actual item at Taco Bell, but this is just a Taco Bell remix. When I say I love it, I love it. So you guys have to try it. If you try it, let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to follow me for more. Take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later. Bye, guys.